In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on Capital.com. To keep this simple and focused, we'll walk through the exact flow you'll use each time. First, log into your Capital.com account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the trading area or open the Discover or Markets section. This is where you can browse everything that's available to trade, including forex pairs, individual stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, and more. If you already know exactly what you want, use the search bar at the top and type the name or ticker symbol to jump straight to it. When you open an instrument, you'll see its dedicated page with the live price chart, key stats, and most importantly, the buy and sell buttons. Think of these as your directional choices. Click buy if you believe the price will rise. Click sell if you expect it to fall. On Capital.com, this typically means you're trading contracts that mirror the price movement, so you can participate in both upward and downward moves. Make sure you're looking at the correct market and symbol before you proceed, especially if several assets share similar names. After choosing buy or sell, the order panel will let you set your trade size. This is the amount you want to trade. Depending on the market, this might represent units, contracts, or a monetary amount. As you adjust the size, the platform will automatically show you the margin required. Margin is the portion of your account balance that's set aside to open and maintain the position. It's not a fee, it's a security deposit. Always check that the required margin fits comfortably within your available funds, and remember that using leverage can magnify both gains and losses. Take a moment to review what you see on screen: the instrument name, whether you chose buy or sell, your trade size, and the margin figure. It can help to glance at the current spread, the small difference between the buy and sell prices, since this affects your entry cost, especially during quieter or highly volatile periods. If you're new, start with a small trade size until you're comfortable with how price movements affect your position. Double-check the market's trading hours, since some assets pause or have reduced liquidity at certain times. And keep your focus on clarity, right market, right direction, and a trade size that aligns with your risk tolerance. That's the core process. Log in, browse or search, select the instrument, choose buy or sell, and set your trade size while monitoring the margin required. Trade thoughtfully and stay disciplined. This video is for educational purposes only.